Hello friends, in this session we will discuss about public access modifier in Java, and in the end we'll take a look at one table to conclude this access modifier series. Okay, so I have created one package called public package in access modifier package, and in this package I have created one class called public access modifier with public keyword. So the access modifier of this class will be public, and I have created another class which is default, and we have named it as public am3. It means public access modifier 3. So what I wanted to do in this class, I have created one variable as public and one method hello as public. So first what we need to do, I wanted to access these instance variable and instance method in my public access modifier class, and as you know, to use the instance properties we'll have to first create the object of our class. So I will name it as obj new keyword and then the class name, close it. So as you must have know, to call the methods will be required to refer our object, and then we will write it like hello. So as you can see, and to print the variable will be required to write like this. Okay, so it is not giving us any error. It means let's try to execute this code and let's see what it says. So it says hello and 10. It means it is working fine as these both are public. So if we wanted to create a object of this class to use these properties, we can do it within a same package. So now what I wanted to do, I wanted to access these properties in some another package class. So as you can see, I have created one class called public am2 in different package called private package. This package is also present in access modifier package. So what I wanted to do now, as you can see, this is public variable and public method. So what I wanted to do, I wanted to access them in our this class which is present in private package. So as you know, this is default class, so we will not be able to access them with the help of extending this class or with the help of creating an object of this class. So what we will have to do, first we will have to change this class access modifier from default to public. So that's why what I've done, I have just simply copied these both things in this class and I have renamed them with a1 and hello1. And what I will do, I will write hello1 here. So now our goal is to access this public class and to access these public properties in our another class which is present in some different package. First we will try to do that with the help of creating object of this class, and to do that will be required to like this. We'll write like this, and as you can see it is giving me some error because we will have to import this class on in our package. The error has been removed, and now to print the variable we'll write like this, and obj dot hello1. So now what we will do, we will execute this class to take a look whether it is accessible or if it is giving us some error. So to execute this, yes, as Java application, okay, will be required to save this as we have done some changes. So you can see it is giving us 100 and hello1. So it means yes, we can access public properties in some another package while creating the object of that class. But now what we will do, we will try another way. So in this way what we will do, we will simply extend this class from public package to, where is the package name, public package to private package. And you know, to extend this class will be required to use keyword extends, and then we simply write the class name, and in this way we will be required to create the object of our this class, and in this way. So as you can see, I haven't changed the object name, so there will be no changes in both these two lines. And now just try to execute, let's see what it says. Okay, so it says 100 and hello. So it proves like if you are having some public property in your class, in your public class, then you can access that class and those properties anywhere in your Java project. So there will be no restrictions on any public properties like class, variable and method. So this was about the public access modifier, and now I wanted to share one graph with you. As you can see, what do we have in this? Here I have written all the access modifier like public, protected, default and private, whatever we have seen so far in this access modifier series. And after that I have written like same class. Okay, so let's first discuss about the same class. So let's try to relate this. What is the meaning of same class? It means whatever properties you have created in a class, you wanted to access them in same class. So this is about the concept of same class. So it means if you are having some public properties, yes, you can access them, and if you are having some protected properties, you can access them also. Default property, yes, we know that we can access them, and private properties, yes, if we are having something private in our class, in the same class we can access that. Now let's talk about the second scenario. Same package using extends keywords. It means, let me show you. As you can see, this is the public package, and in this package we are having two classes. So if we will try to do that, like extends and this class, so if we will try to do that, whether we'll be able to access those properties or not. So if the properties are public, yes, while using the extends keyword, we can access those public properties. If the properties are protected, yes, we can access them also. Default, as we have seen already in our last session, we can access them also. But the private, no, they will not be accessible in another class. Private means you can only access those properties in your class only. If you are trying to access those private properties while creating the child class of your class, then you will not be able to access private properties. Now let's discuss about the same package and create object. It means if we will remove this like this, and I wanted to access the properties of this class in this way while creating the object. So in this way, if the property is public, obviously we can access it. If the property is protected, we have seen, yes, we can do this. And in case of default, we can do this. And in case of private, no, we cannot do this. Private property will only be accessible in that class only. So now let's talk about different package using extends keyword. Okay, so first let's try to understand like what is that. It means if you are having some class in some another package as public package, and you are having some another class in private package, so what you wanted to do, you wanted to access a class property which is present in public package in some another class which is present in private package while using extends keyword. So let's discuss about this. In this way, if the property is public, we have just seen, yes, we can do that while simply extend that class. We can call their properties public properties. And if they are protected, yes, we can access them also, as we have seen in the protected session. Like if you are having some protected property in your class, and if you wanted to access them in some another package class, so you can do that while simply extending that class into your required class. And in case of default, no, we cannot access any default property outside of that package. So as you can see, you cannot use the default property outside of that package. And the private, we have already discussed that private property can only be accessible in same class. Now let's talk about the different package and while creating the object of that class. It means, as you know, this is one class, and if we wanted to access those properties which is present in this class with the help of creating the object of this particular class, like this, so it means like that. different package and create object. Yes, if the properties are public, we can simply use it while creating the object. But if the properties are protected, we cannot access them while creating the object of that class. Protected properties will only be accessible outside of that package after using the extends keyword. Default, as we already know, outside of the package we cannot access default properties. And about the private, you must have got the idea. Like yes, like no, we cannot access them outside of package and outside of that class. So this was all about the access modifier series. I hope you must have enjoyed. Please stay tuned and happy learning. Thank you.